Hi, thank you for joining. Hi. Okay. So I'll quickly tell you what I was doing. Oh, by the way, I'm deep conditioning my hair. My hair is not wet, it's dry. It's just that these days I cannot take really long showers. And you know how deep conditioning is. For a deep condition, any treatment to work, it has to sit in your hair for at least 20 minutes, right? I cannot sit in the shower for 20 minutes. I can't do that. So what I do is I deep condition outside my shower. Okay, so what I did was today I applied the Cachos PreShampoo treatment. It's a butter, so I take a little bit, okay, like this, little bit. You just need very little. Don't do that. It's not like a deep conditioner regular, no, it's a butter. So what you do is you take a little bit in your fingertips. Don't rub it in your palms, just in your fingertips like this, okay? And then you take a section like how I'm doing it here. And what I did was I rub it on a section and I make 2 strand twists. See, 2 strands, and these are twists. Okay, so yeah, I get so many DMs like, oh, how can I get hair like you? How can I make my curls better and all that? This is how you have to train your curls to curl. So this way, when you deep condition with these twists, right, what you're doing is you're training them to curl. And when you wash this out, eventually with training, the curls will fall like that in a more organized fashion. So I've made twists like everywhere in my hair, and it's got like a little bit of oil in this. So if you have this PreShampoo treatment, or if you're thinking of buying this, then make sure you use very little. Like I've had this one for like a year now. Like khatam hi nahi hota. Like you need so little, right? So it doesn't even it takes a very long time to get over. So use very little. Be very gentle and focus from like mid-lengths to ends. Now this is not just a pre-poo oil treatment, okay? It is also a deep conditioner because it's got babassu oil in it. And babassu is known for its moisturizing properties. So it's like one-step solution. So whenever you do this treatment, right, you do this before shower on your dry hair, and then you go for your shower, right? But go for your shower like after. Keep it at least an hour. When I had colored hair, like when I had highlights, I used to keep this like overnight. But that's only if your hair is like super dry, super damaged. Otherwise, you can just keep it under the shower cap for like an hour. And you can sit and do these twists like when you're watching TV or like whatever you do to entertain yourself. You don't have to like sit in the bathroom alone to do this. It's going to be so boring, right? So yeah. So this is how I maintain my hair, okay, my curls. Like a lot of, at least beginners, they come to me and ask me how can they get hair like me, or what styling products to use. But I feel like if you're a beginner, or if you want your styling products to work, then you want to focus on the hair health first. And this is how I do it. I do it by regular deep conditioning, at least once a week. Like this is such a savior for, especially if you have damaged hair. It's a savior. And even if you have healthy hair, it'll help you maintain the health of your hair. Brazilian oils and butters, like these ingredients comes from the Amazonian region. Like it's so potent, and because it's so potent and rich, you don't need a lot. Do not use a lot, then it'll be difficult to take it out. I've been using this for a year. I do this like once a month. because you know nowadays I've cut my damaged hair off, so my hair is not as damaged, but I used to do it at least twice or thrice a month before when I had highlights. But now that I don't have highlights and my hair is kind of healthier than last year, I do this only once a month. It's pretty great. So if you're thinking of buying it, or if you have a friend with damaged hair, get them this. It'll be such a great gift. This is the Cachos PreShampoo treatment. Okay, so what I do is after I apply it, I make these 2-strand twists, and this is to train my curls to curl. Okay, so when I wash my hair, it falls like that, curly, like that. So if your hair is like all over the place and if you want to train your curls, you definitely want to do this when you deep condition. Doesn't matter whether it's dry hair or wet hair. Okay, I'm gonna use the puff cuff clamp because I don't use scrunchies. You must have seen my live already, but yeah. And then, oh, this, by the way, can totally be a hairstyle, right? But let me turn around and show you. Am I in the frame? Right? Nobody has to know that you're deep conditioning or you're pre-pooing. Like, it doesn't even smell bad. Like, compared to some of the traditional oils that we put, they smell so... This one doesn't smell so bad. In case you're wondering, this is all the hair I lost. Sorry. This is such a pet peeve, but in case you were wondering how much hair I lose, this much. Okay. So what I do is after I apply, I put a shower cap. Okay. Like just like this. So this is a reusable shower cap. Like, it's very sustainable. And I like to use plastic so that it traps all the heat. And trapped heat is good for your hair because it absorbs the oils better. And because the hair absorbs the oils, it becomes softer and more manageable in the shower. So therefore, you lose less hair in the shower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this for an hour. I'm going to go take a nap. And I'll keep this an hour. And then I'll go wash my hair. And this wash, keep watching.